Okay, we're going to put the last full floor joist in that we can, because we'll be right up against the fireplace there. But all the joists are in. Looks good. Sounds running out okay. We'll figure out what we're going to do back here and then over here, because we can't take those logs out. We'll probably sister some new forms up there. Is what we'll probably do.
Well, I didn't know where to put the hanger until we see how close we can get it to that.
Yeah.
Until we can get it to that there. We probably need to come in there, don't
Probably, because this is going to be the last one, right?
we? We just need to get it over as close as we can.
Okay. Get over. You're pretty agile there, buddy.
I don't know about that. Oh, way long.
Are we?
What happened?
Oh.
I mean, I'm an inch and a half long.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Your tape must have been off.
Huh. Okay. It's good on your end?
Yeah, I mean, we're up against
The
it.
notch and everything?
Uh-huh. Yeah. I cut it off, huh?
I'm cutting this end off.
Okay. Can you get to it?
So, we'll be able to do it in a second.
Yeah, okay.
Not like that knot. Yeah? Ah. Might be about as close as we're going to get to here, and it's already hitting in the middle here.
I'm not going to knock these.
We'll go a little bit more.
I'm not going to knock these lines, I don't think. Oh, I got nothing on my... Damn. Just a smidge.
Oh!
Look at that.
Nice! Does that work?
Probably turn it over there. There you go.
Does that work for you? Oh,
Bucking on me.
hey.
Bucking on me. Well,
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Don't let it buck again. Hey. Drop right in there earlier. Kenny?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, we gotta get down some. Uh-oh.
I mean, that's probably it.
Yeah.
Aye. Let's see. Let me get the two blocks.
Where are we at?
Was it high?
Or is it low? Oh, it's low.
Yeah. Well, we're not going to screw the two ends yet. We're going to get the centers, a block and a block,
Okay.
as far over as we can,
Yeah.
and then we can screw the two ends.
Okay. Yeah, I just need to come up a little bit.
This one screwed or not? Yeah.
This one is not down there. I didn't do it down there, but yeah.
Well, it's in the thing. So it hadn't moved is what I'm saying. Alright, so I want to cut the blocking at 8.5. 8.5. I'll go 8 3/8. I'm going to cut these two blocks. We can put them in here.
Okay.
And then that'll tell us where to screw these two ends.
Okay.
8 3/8.
See, you're pretty agile. I don't know what you're talking about. Right here?
Yeah, something like in there.
Something like that?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, same thing on the other end. And that'll pretty much tell you where to screw the other end. Yeah. That's pretty close as we're going to get to that fireplace.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to put this wood and stuff in the garage.
Okay.
You want it in the other garage, right? Not this one? Or just
Yeah, you put it in the shop. Yeah. That's
the
fine.
shop, yeah.
Okay, we are going to wrap up for today. We did get all the floor joists in, and that all ended up looking good. I still have to tie some of them in down here, but hard work's in. The pump is in. We just need to get that wire through the basement, and I think that's where we're going to wrap it up for today in this video. But thanks for coming back and joining Rolling Country Outdoors. We really do appreciate it, and we're excited about what this is going to be. We get it done, get a new floor in here, and we can start using this again. So thanks again. We'll catch you in the next video. Y'all take care.